Click on the button icon in the BOWWE menu, select any of the buttons, and drop it on the screen. Save your changes. Now go to the Pages tab. Select the subpage to which you want to link the button. Copy the simple link of this subpage. Now save the changes once again. Click on the home page and go to the wizard. Click on your button and go to its settings. After the slash, paste or type in the name of the simple link. Change the text in the button field. If you want to see how the button works, save your changes and go to the preview page. Now press the button.